Attention agents, are you missing out on opportunities due to your follow-up plan or lack thereof? Stay tuned for some tips and tricks to help you convert more leads. Hi, I'm Kayla Montgomery, Sales Manager with the Reynolds team of Compass. Our team recently attended an event in Charleston that was hosted by our CRM provider. Along with other rock stars from around the country, we learned a lot about nurturing and converting leads. Keep these 3 things in mind when following up with your leads. Number 1, speed to lead. So when I say speed to lead, I'm talking channel your inner superhero and be like the Flash. The suggested response time used to be 5 minutes. Well, now we're down to only 2 minutes. Did you know that responding to inquiries immediately can increase your conversion by up to 391%? So what plan do you have in place to make that happen? Our team has some great resources and services that we utilize to be efficient at this. And by the way, 49% of email leads and 29% of phone call inquiries never even receive a response from agents. Think of the missed opportunities there. Number 2 is to use all communication methods. Call, text, email, video. Reach out every way that you can because you never know what their preferred contact method is. They may be unable to take a call at the moment, but they can text back. They might feel more comfortable replying to an email until you build some rapport and they get to know the wonderful person that you are. And lastly, number 3, be consistent and persistent. Check this out. 92% of salespeople give up after 4 no's, but 80% of prospects say no 4 times before they say yes. At what point are you dropping off? You need to be there when they are ready. So play the long game. Now, these 3 things may sound simple, but when you factor in all the other hundreds of responsibilities that you have as a real estate agent, it can get tricky. And that's when having the right resources and support team comes into play. If you want to discuss your follow-up plan or how joining a team can help grow your business, let's connect. My contact info is there, or maybe there, depending on where you're watching this. So I hope to hear from you soon.